First of all, thank you very much for this precious workshop on Elliott wave theory. And as usual, Kiran Jadhav Associates, every person, every staff is, I mean, teaching staff as well, is very much comfortable in explaining difficult things in very easy way.
Thank you.
That makes us like feel like that does not give us a feeling that we are learning something very difficult, how we will implement that. So the specialty of like taking practicals while explaining the things, using paint-like tools to easily explain drawing diagrams really helps. So the fear of learning goes away, and then again your friendly nature is always pleasant. So that's one thing. Again, coming to second thing about costing of this class, I really feel that the fees charged for this workshop is really nominal. It is worth, I mean, at least 5-6 times.
Thank you.
But then I'm lucky to have registered for the very first workshop. And then I'll try to convey it to more people also, like if they are really into stock market for a long time and they do want to do well, because this is something which will really help while building their wealth. So thank you very much. And then one feedback I wanted to give is like somehow if you can club this with actual technical analysis that you conduct. I
Okay.
mean, this might get extended by one more day. Or what can be done is like 2 days of technical workshop, and next weekend can be this Elliott wave theory. It can be conducted.
Okay.
So it will be like cherry on the top. So people will do their practice or take their breathing time in the next 5 days and come back for this Elliott wave theory workshop. And then if they learn these things together, there is like nothing like it in that case.
Great.
So this is just a suggestion you can think
So,
about it. Again, once
yes.
again, really thankful, and I'm really pleased to see you after a long time.